Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, the tables below shows the amount of fuel consumed and distance traveled by different motorcycles. Which of the following represents a linear proportional relationship between the liters of fuel consumed, X, and the distance traveled, Y? Okay, so what is it that I'm looking for? Well, I'm looking for a what? Linear proportional relationship. Okay, so they're not really giving us numbers on the problem. The numbers are actually on the tables, right? But they want to find out which one gives us a linear proportional relationship. So let's say we remember what's a proportion. Well, we know that if it was graph, a proportional should have gone through the origin, right? Yes, but what about a table? How can I decide if a table shows proportional or not? Anybody remembers what do we do? Yes, we're supposed to divide the y over the x. Very good. Whoever remembered that, that's awesome. So we said that in a proportional relationship, the ratios of y over x must be equivalent, right? So yes, we need to divide the y over the x. Very good. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So we're going to divide 65 divided by 2. Okay, so what do we get? We get 32.5, right? So I'm going to write it down here because it doesn't fit there, right? Okay, let's do the next one because remember, I'm looking for what? I'm looking for 32.5. I need to make sure that when I divide all the rest of that y over x, I get the same numbers, right? If I don't get the same numbers, then that means that is a non-proportional relationship. So let's go on to the next one, 95, and I'm going to put it right here, over 3, or 95 divided by 3, right? And we get 31.66. What do you notice? Did I get the same numbers? No, right? Therefore, this is a non-proportional relationship. So that's all we gotta do. We just gotta divide the y over the x. So let's go to letter B. So we have 75 over 2. That's equals to 35. Then we have 115 over 3. Is that right? So let's go ahead and divide that, please. And we get 30.333, right? Did I get the same numbers? No, okay? So A cannot be an answer, right? Neither B, because this is also a non-proportional, and I'm looking for a proportional. Very good. Let's go to C. 70 divided by 2. Well, we already did it earlier, so it is 35. 100 divided by 3, right? It's what? 33.333, right? Did I get the same numbers? No, no luck. So that's a non-proportional relationship. So hopefully letter D it is, right? So let's check it out. 70 divided by 2. We did it a couple of times, so it is 35. What you need to check, though, it's 105 divided by 3. Go ahead and put them in the calculator, see what you guys get. You got 35, right? Awesome. What about 140 divided by 4? What do you guys get? 35 as well. Okay, we are doing good, right? Because now I can see that I'm getting what? 35, 35, 35. Let's check the last one, okay? And the last one is 175 divided by 5, and that gives you, yeah, 35. So, can you tell me what is the answer then? Yes, our answer has to be letter D, because that's the only table whose ratios are equivalent. Therefore, it is a proportional relationship. Very good. That's the answer, guys.